Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this electric wall heater from a company called Envi. We'll do a quick unboxing to show you exactly what you'd be getting, and then we'll go ahead and assemble it to test it out. Now, one of the things that I love about this heater is that it's made right here in the good old USA. That's a big plus for me. All right, this is what it looks like when you open things up. Now, don't throw away this panel right here. It's actually a frame that you set on the wall to get your markings for the screws. That made it a lot easier for me, so make sure not to discard that. You'll need to open this side compartment to get the wall plug out. We'll go ahead and remove this plastic covering. Of course, you'll get the owner's manual. There's a little sticker here just reminding you that this unit will only work if it's mounted to the wall. You also get the hardware to get this mounted to the wall, and this is really to set up, guys. All I did was get my markings. I screwed in the screw just a little bit to make a hole to make it easier to get the drywall anchor in. Then I unscrewed it. Next, I went ahead and screwed in the wall anchor, just like that. Next, you'll get the screw and insert it into this part right here. Make sure it's facing upward correctly, then just tighten it up. Make sure it's nice and secured as well. Then you'll do the exact same thing on the other hole, and then the only other thing left to do is just attach the unit to the wall. You'll just line up the holes on the back of the heater and place it over the wall mounts. Again, just make sure it's nice and secure. We'll go ahead and get it plugged in and turn it on. This is extremely simple to use, guys. There's just the power button to turn it off and on, and the dial to increase or decrease the heat. I've had this on for just a few seconds and I can already feel the heat. It doesn't take long to start spitting out some heat, so that's really nice. I also love how quiet this thing is. There's hardly any noise coming out, but yet it's still a powerful heater. Overall, we're very happy with this heater. I give the ease of installation a 10 out of 10. It works great. It's thin and doesn't take up much real estate. And best of all, it keeps you nice and toasty in your home. So we highly recommend this wall heater.